We are back! Back for season 4. Back at Harrah's Hoosier Park in Anderson, Indiana. Hello everybody, my name is Dan.
And I'm Lorraine.
And you're watching Midwest Gaming and Slots.
Let's do this.
Hello everybody. We're back. We're trying to be back.
Yay.
We keep getting interrupted. We're back for season 4. And we're back at Harrah's Hoosier Park.
Woo.
We're actually doing the casino show, but it's so loud over there we couldn't do the video, so we came over to the horse track side.
Yeah.
Found this nice little quiet space. Keep getting interrupted by the janitor. So Lorraine, how does it feel to be back?
Yeah. I can't believe you people voted for that train wreck of a show.
Is it kind of like a fungus?
It
Just keeps coming back.
Keeps growing.
Keeps coming back for more.
Yeah.
All right, you people wanted this, so you got it. So watch it, like it, love it. Share it with your friends. Let's get on with the show, shall we?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, so we're back at Harrah's Hoosier Park, and actually last time we were here, they were doing a renovation, and the renovation is done. So we thought we'd talk about the renovation and all the new added features.
Okay, should we tell them where it's located first?
Yeah, let's do a little review.
Yeah.
Tell them where it's located.
So Hoosier Park is located right off of I-96 in Anderson, Indiana, which is about 30 miles northeast of Indianapolis.
And if you watched our last show, we said it was northwest. But that's what happens when we're young. Now we're old, we know what we're doing. All right, and the casino portion of Hoosier Park opened in 2008. The racetrack opened in 1994 and is now owned and operated by Caesars Entertainment. And that's right, yeah, 2008 Caesars took over the property, so you can get your Caesars points here. That's pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah.
And like we're saying, the renovation took place. Most money Caesars spent since they owned the property, 40 million bucks.
You can tell.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's
Looks
really
real good. So January 9th, 2024, the renovation was complete. It was supposed to be done in July, but we had those wonderful supply chain issues. And it was supposed to be done in July of 2023, but now it's open and it looks fantastic so far.
I agree.
Well, so far it's done. So what renovations can people expect when they come here?
Well, you have new carpeting.
Who doesn't love new carpet?
New lighting.
Does the carpet match the drapes?
New signage.
I'm such a child.
New whatever that word is.
Say it.
Porte cochere?
What is that?
I have no idea.
I just learned this recently. It's the thing you drive under when you pull up to the casino. That overhang thing.
Oh.
Keeps you driving.
Why didn't they just say overhang?
It's fancy.
Financing.
What else we got?
And a new facade.
Who doesn't love a new facade?
Also the renovation and added, was that 30,000 more square feet for additional gaming and a new restaurant area.
Yeah, that's cool. So we got the total square feet of gaming is now 54,000 square feet. So a good size. It added more than 150 more slot machines, so you now got over 1,200 to choose from. And this is what's interesting, because Caesars, they have a press release that says they have over 2,400 slot machines, and then you go on the official Hoosier Park website and it says they have 1,200. So somewhere between 1,200 and 2,400 slot machines. Doesn't really matter, they have a lot.
Yeah.
There you go.
Quite large.
Yep.
And it also added more table games, which brings the total to 40.
40 games. Yep, and the center bar has been renovated, right, Lorraine?
Yeah, it has. The expansion introduces the center bar's new elegant design, enhancing the ambiance for guests.
That's what it says on the website. I always got to throw in stuff they put out on the website, because sometimes it's just like, you go, really? So that's pretty fancy. And with the renovation, like Lorraine mentioned, they have some new restaurant space. One of them is the Dash Cafe, right, Lorraine? What do they got there?
Yeah, mainly has a bar and grill type food. On the website it states fast casual dining.
It is. It's like a food court.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. The food offerings are hamburgers. Ooh, we got a jalapeno burger.
Jalapeno burger.
Moonshine burger. Wonder what that includes.
I don't know.
Chicken sandwiches, hot dogs, nachos, and salad.
Gonna be about $8 to $15 per person. And they're open from 11 a to 11 p. And on the weekends, they're open to 1 a.m. So you also have a little pizza place next to it called Slice. I think they had that last time we were here, but it was on the racetrack side and they moved it over there.
Yeah, I didn't see it was open at all.
No, didn't look like it was open. But anyway, overall, the renovation looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it looks very swanky, very good.
You can tell they put money into it.
Yeah, we had just terms of pricing. I had a beer yesterday. Lorraine had a Captain and Diet, and it was $15. So still cheaper than Las Vegas, but that casino, man, it shouldn't be that expensive
compared to Vegas.
All right, so we're back. We're gonna go try to get a bonus. We're gonna try to win $1 million this year. This is year 4 of trying to win $1 million.
Or a royal flush.
Yeah. So either we'll get a bonus, we'll throw that in there. If we don't get a bonus, we'll be back to say goodbye from season 4, episode 1, 1.1. And you guys are all got smiles on your face right now because you're looking at us and you know we love you guys so much.
Yeah, you voted for it.
You voted for us and you got it. You got another year of train wrecks and all sorts of fun. All right, Lorraine, ready to go win some money?
I am.
All right.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. We have won 10 free games on Rankin Bacon Odyssey. We played this in Las Vegas, remember, Lorraine?
No.
All right. All right, if you touch the screen, it's gonna go, or you touch that button right there, it's gonna go. There we go. Oh yeah, this is where it arrows up and it gets like really big. That's where I gotta like slide back. Come on, pigs or arrows. Oh, you got a pig way up there. It's like, I keep sliding backwards. What are we up to, $6, $7? Ooh, that pig got excited. He gave us 2 more free games. Come on, pigs. Watch the arrow. The pig gets excited. Gave us more free games. What do you think, Lorraine?
Don't let it go. Look, he's mooning it.
He's so, you see that pig? We just need to win some money now, would be good. That pig showing us his butt. We're a family-friendly show. Come on. Look at that. He's mooning us, Lorraine.
I know.
How rude. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is gonna be the big one. Yay! How much?
18.
Yes, we'll take it. We are playing Rankin Bacon Odyssey at Harrah's Hoosier Park. And that pig's gonna moon us or do something, or what did he do? He's throwing down gold coins.
$9.
$9. We are betting, what are we betting, Lorraine? 88 cents?
Yeah.
Our standard. Hey, it's a season 3 premiere, or season 4 premiere. Last spin. 42 bucks. Hey, that's not bad for an 88-cent bet. We never got that last reel to go. Look at that pig. That pig is how most of you feel after eating Thanksgiving dinner. Look at him, he's so cute. All right, we'll give it a backup spin. What do you say?
Sure.
There we go. All right, one more. All right. Do one more, Lorraine. What the heck? There we go. Nothing. That pig's so big he can't eat anymore. All right, that was Rankin Bacon Odyssey with a big fat pig. We are playing Dancing Drums Explosion. We got the gold drum. What do you think, Lorraine? I say 10 games.
Yeah, that's where I would go.
All right, hit the 10. There we go.
No.
That looks good. All right, let's make this happen. 0 for 1. Come on, we need something. Hey, we can get the pot. You get the bonus in the bonus. Good thing we took 10 games. What do you think, Lorraine?
You'll do it.
Dogs! Dogs! 4 of 10. We're on game 4 of 10. They can get the bonus in the bonus. Yeah! Here we go. Oh, we got pots. We got little urns. We got 13 games. Lucky 13. That's a little win. You hear people are cheering for us, Lorraine.
Yeah, I know.
Because this bonus is not turning out that great. Come on!
Close the pot.
Close that pot. We got 3 more games. These are our bonus games we won. Come on! That's a little win. Coinage. We got... That's it. Oh my gosh, that's a disappointment. The gold drum too. The gold drum means it's supposed to be like really good. And we only won 15 bucks. All right.
Keeps us in it.
Well, that was dancing drum, gold drum explosion, and it didn't really explode that well for us. We are wrapping it up from the Harrah's Hoosier Park renovation of the casino show. Did you have a good time, Lorraine?
I did. I had a great time.
Yeah, we had a good time. The renovation, that's hard to say. Actually turned out pretty good. It's pretty nice, kind of swanky.
Yeah.
Has a good vibe to it, good feel to it. So that's fun.
It's quite busy.
My only negative, you know, if you talk about positives, the renovation's nice. It's like I said, swanky. The negative is the price of alcohol. You know, a beer's like $7. That's insane.
Yeah.
You know, but whatever, it is what it is, and hey, we go with it.
Yeah.
So welcome to season 4. We are going to be trying some new things this year. It's going to be interesting. The next show, that will be definitely trying a new thing, and it should be a lot of fun, don't you think?
Yeah, I think so. It's unique.
Yeah, it's going to be unique, and we got some good ideas, and we're going to mix it up a little bit, and we hope you guys all enjoy it. So until next time, we love you.
Good night.
See ya.